I want you to close your eyes and picture this for a moment. A disaster of potentially historic proportions is heading for your home. Residents are fleeing, leaving their possessions behind, and one invites you into their beautiful home to ride out the storm. A lifelong friendship is born a few months later. They invite you on their vacation to Mexico for a fishing trip. Sounds like something you hear out of a fictional book or a story you'd see in a movie, right? Now, we are taught from a young age not to talk to strangers, but when in reality, strangers are just friends you haven't met yet, with the LeBlanc family being no exception. It's a rare occasion for me to say no to spontaneous adventure, and just months after we spent 3 days in a total stranger's home during a record-setting year for hurricanes, my good friend Brendan and I, of course, accepted Mike and Lee's offer, packed our bags in the dead of winter, and we were on our way to my biggest and most random adventure yet, the tropical paradise of Cancun, Mexico. So Dad, how do you feel about your son disobeying every rule as a kid and going to a totally new country with total strangers?
Well, in the movies, the guy always disappears when he goes on a trip with the strangers. It's been nice knowing you.
I get 27 years. You raised me good.
Yeah, you're gonna be shark bait.
Shark bait? You're gonna think that when I catch
Not tuna bait, but shark bait.
Peace out.
Yup, be safe. Been nice knowing you.
Always. Alright, successfully through security, and now we go to Atlanta. I don't know why I always get nervous in airports. It's a little stressful, but with COVID, there's pretty much nobody here. I ain't even gonna lie, everybody. I'm so far out of my comfort zone. I've flown a lot of flights over the years, but never international. The good news is, apparently, I chose one of the easiest ones to do. So, next flight, Cancun, and then enjoying the beach with some friends. Let's go. Alright, we made it through country number 2. Time to go meet my buddy Brandon, then we're going to meet up with Mike and Lee and get this adventure started. Let's go! Good freaking morning, everybody. This is day 2 of our Mexico trip with total strangers, essentially. We got in kind of late last night. Everyone was pretty tired from their day of fishing. We are going to go introduce you all to Lee, Mike, and the whole family that is downstairs right now. Check out this freaking view. Look what the cat dragged in.
Mike's up.
Is he alive? He lived through yesterday? It's always amazing to me the vast differences in cultures when visiting other countries. Isla Mujeres, there's more golf carts and buggies than cars, bins filled with the freshest bread money can buy just up for grabs, traffic laws with no other way to describe it other than controlled chaos, and kids running into the streets at red lights performing tricks to earn a quick buck, and any internal butterflies I had being in an international country were quickly masked over by the fascination with my surroundings.
What's up? Morning. What's going on, dude?
Nice to meet you, brother. Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
Aaron?
Yeah. Got it, bro.
Good again? All those guys.
How's it going?
Good to meet you.
Push the button right there. Push the button.
Cool. Got it.
How you doing?
Good, man. Aaron, nice to meet you. The sun began to fade on our final day in Mexico, and as we collected our catch for the day, I couldn't help but have a smile from ear to ear as we made our way back to the house. These moments sometimes don't appear to be real, and you keep wondering when you're going to wake up from this dream. Deep sea fishing and cooking our dinners straight from the ocean that night has always been a long-term bucket list item of mine, and the circumstances to which I was able to cross this item off makes me feel incredibly blessed that I chose to grab my dreams, hold it with everything that I've got, and run with it, and meet the incredible people that I have, like the LeBlanc family. But this trip wasn't over just yet, as this small town hippie boy was about to cross one more thing off of his list. Yep, you were seeing that correctly. We flew home in style on a beautiful private jet back to the United States of A. I don't know where this wild thing we call life will take me next, but I look forward to the journey that takes me there and can't wait to see who I meet next. Until the next time, stay wild and stay weird, amigos.